Come along and join us on this journey, exploring God's land, so much to see. Come along and join us. All right, hey fam.
Hey.
We're doing a little, what, day camping?
Yeah, little day camping.
Little day camping at one of our favorite spots here by the water. All right, we got some lunch from Subway in there. I can't see it, but yeah.
Down on it.
Okay. And then we're gonna try to play this little game. Look at that! I found cornhole. Since it's a little bit nippy to actually go out and play cornhole, we'll do a different version there.
Yeah.
See how that goes. All right.
Yeah, fam, we've been off the road for a bit because you know we've had some life changes. You know, so my mother went on to be with the Lord, and so we've been taking time for that. But
yes, so we lost both of our moms within the year.
yeah,
So it's been quite the year for us, fam.
yeah, it has. But we will make it through, and we will continue on being us. And we appreciate you coming along and traveling with the Whitemans.
Yes, we did. Okay, fam, so this is what we have. We got a foot-long, what is that one? Rotisserie chicken. And then we got a foot-long tuna. And then we have some chips and drink. And so we're going to make a nice little lunch out of it.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. Late lunch, right? Okay.
All right.
All right. So here we go. Oh,
You want to put that on there?
yeah, I was trying to show.
Oh.
All right, so here we go. So this comes like this. And we're just going to put that there. All right. Then Neville has the blue little bags. I have the red. And then here's, not sure what the camera's showing. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, so it says the youngest player goes first. That would be me. All right. They balance one of their fabric counters onto their plastic launcher. I guess like this.
And as you shoot it through the front of the RV.
It's going to fall. Do it here. All right. It says, and keeping one hand on the board to support it, pull back the launcher and aim the fabric counter at the opponent's cornhole. Okay, you're holding it? Mm-hmm. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Like I said. And there's it goes.
Okay. Did I do that right?
Where did it go? You got to go. It's 0 or nothing.
So if I put it here, will it go? Let's see. Okay, that might be better. Just let it slide down. Okay. All right, let's see. Ooh, almost. Oh, ooh!
Oh, it's about to come out. It's rigged.
All right, so we'll play this a little more and let you know how it goes.
All right.
All right. All right, fam. We are still playing, and neither of us have gotten any points yet.
And it's the next day.
No. Why is this so hard? Okay, you try one more time.
All right.
Okay, my turn. Okay. almost. We're getting closer. Oh, that's one. Okay. This is not going as planned.
No, it's not.
Okay, fam. Alright, fam. We've tried all different versions of this because nothing is working. We tried it like this. Of course, we tried it the regular way. We even did one there. And just tried to throw it, but it's not working, fam.
Yeah.
Alright, well.
It's a no for me, dog.
Yeah. But see, the box got me. It's like, ooh. Okay. But yeah. Alright.
If anyone has ever had luck with this game, please leave a comment. Okay.
Alright, fam. Well, we came. We ate. We played a little desktop cornhole, which didn't work out. I did a little reading. Neville did a little napping. And so now we're getting ready to end this little day camping experience. And I guess that's it.
Yeah, head on back home.
Head on back home. All right. Thanks, fam. Thanks for traveling with the Whitemans. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for